Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn reported speech. It is the 6th lesson in your language book. And reported speech has two parts, direct speech and indirect speech. In the direct speech, we see the exact words of the speaker is being expressed. The exact words of the speaker is quoted in direct speech. And we see here, she said. Said is also a verb and therefore it is called a reporting verb. Said here is a reporting verb and it is separated from the rest of the part with a comma. So she said, comma. Then in the direct speech, as we begin to express the exact words of the speaker, we put them in the inverted commas in order to show that we are quoting the exact words of the speaker. Here, I am hungry is the exact words of what she said. So it will be put in the inverted commas. So that is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. So here we have the inverted commas and we have two verbs. One is called the reporting verb. The other one is the verb in the reported speech. So the verb here, what is in the inverted commas, is called the verb in the reported speech, and this portion is called, which is in the inverted commas, is called reported speech. Now we will go to the indirect speech. Here we see she said that she was hungry. That is used to join these two verbs. So therefore she said that is a relative pronoun, and instead of I we write she, because we cannot use the first and second persons in the direct speech because it is a third person reporting. So therefore we cannot use I or you. So she was hungry. Now there is a rule in your book, that is the third rule, page 97. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first and second persons in direct speech are changed into third person in indirect speech. So, first person I, second person you will be changed according to the third person. Okay, if I can be changed into he, she, it, etc. Or if it is plural, they. Then we see here, whenever first person comes, it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Here I, that is first person. So the subject of the reporting verb is she. So therefore we change it into she. Now if it will be you are hungry, you, second person. Second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. But here in this sentence we do not have an object. So you can write any person in third person, any pronoun from the third person. So here, if it was you, I can write, she said that they were hungry. She said that he was hungry, they were hungry, etc. So any of them you can use in the indirect speech. We'll go to the rest of the rules. First we will learn we already learned the third rule because it is a change of the pronouns that is related to any rule. Therefore, whether it is whatever tense it may be, you have to follow this particular rule. Therefore, I taught that first. Now we will come to the first rule, page 95. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. First rule is, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense. Reporting verb, this is called a reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, which means says or will say, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed. For example, I have given an example here. She says. Says is in present tense, and I am hungry. It is in direct speech. She says that she is hungry. Now, rule related to the pronoun will be followed for whichever tense it may be. Therefore, though they are telling it exactly the same, you can write, but here we cannot. We have to change the pronoun. Only the tense will not be changed. It can remain the same. Tense will not be changed if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. So let us say she says that she is hungry. Next example. In the future, she will say he is hungry. So she will say that he is hungry. It is already third person. If it is third person, it will remain the same. Only there will be changes for the first and second person. She says to him, here we have an object, you are naughty. So she says to him, you are naughty. So says to will change into tells. Since it is a present tense, so says to will change into tells. So she tells him that he is naughty because it is him. The you will be changed according to the object of a reporting verb. Here object of reporting verb is him. So therefore it is the third person he. She tells him that he is naughty. Next one, she says, you are naughty. Here we do not have an object and we have you there. You is the second person and second person changes according to the object of the reporting verb, but we do not have an object there. Then you can write any object there, any pronoun, but it should be third person. She says that they are naughty. She says that you are naughty. You are naughty also you can write there. Alright, you can write the same thing there, no problem. But the subject should be different, but objective if it is not given. If the object is given, it will be according to the object. It will change according to the object.